Hey there, I was sent over this ergonomic knee seat to test and try out. This is going to be useful for when you're in the garden and you want to walk around and not have to move your kneeler. You can wear this. It has a kneeling part here as well as a seat, so you can get down on one knee and pull some weeds or maybe transplant something into the ground. So let's put it on. I'll show you how it works and I'll give you my thoughts on it. So the knee seat comes with everything you need to assemble it. It does take some assembly, but all the pieces that you need as well as the tools come with it. It's a two-sided card. I did find that the instructions were a little tedious to follow, but I made my way through it. The photos are very helpful, but I did feel that the instructions could have been a little bit better. So let's look at how to put this on. So I've got the pad against my knee and this piece faces out. The rounded part, you put your foot in here, and then the ankle is the one you want to adjust first. So that strap goes over your foot and ankle, through here, and then you tighten it as needed. You do the same thing to this, only it goes around the back side and you tighten it as needed. Once it's on, you got your kneeler here, you got your seat here. You can walk around as needed through the yard. You do want to make sure everything is tight so it's easy to walk in. Once you get to your weeding area or planting area, all you need to do is kneel down. The knee pad will go where you need it. The seat pad will go here so you can rest back. It's nice to be able to rest back and not feel like I'm having to squat and hold all my weight up. This seat will hold up to 300 pounds. Once you are done on the knee pad, all you have to do is stand up, walk to your next location. Again, I do feel that instructions for putting it together could have been a little better. I do like the fact that everything was in there that I needed, and there were even a couple extra parts. Once it's put together, I really like that it's sturdy. I like that it offers enough padding for me to kneel down with. Guys, I hope this helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.